hopefully this is going to help you with these protractor problems. So what we have here is we're going to look at our angles first. So we have our pink angle here and a blue angle here. So we want to find the transversal they have in common. So that is this line, our GH. And so what they're asking us to do is to take these lines here and make them parallel so that we can either make these two angles equal or have them add to 180. Now this is top right of the quadrant, this is top right of the quadrant, so they're going to be corresponding angles, they're equal. So we're going to grab our handy dandy protractor, if it lets me. Might, or it might not. Okay, here we go. And bring that up. Okay. So we're going to put the dot of the protractor on the vertex. Okay. And I'm going to make this bigger. Now this guy here, this line we call the baseline. Okay, and if we can get it to be at 0 or on the 0 side, that's easier. Sometimes we don't really have a choice. We have to put it over here on the left where the 180 is. And then all we need to do is kind of look and follow this other line up. And we want to start from the 140, and it goes 145, and then plus one tiny one. So we're at 146. So that means we need to play with this line here to try to make it parallel, and this line would then be 146. So I'm going to take my protractor and go like that. And my transversal isn't going to change, so I'm going to make that my baseline. And oh, what did I say that one was? Oh, I forgot my measure. This is why we write things down, guys. Let me fix that. That was 146. Okay, 146, 146. Got it. So now I'm going to bring this guy over here. And I'm going to leave, I'm going to go like this with my protractor. Now, unfortunately, now I've got a baseline at 180. So we're going to have to subtract to do it this way. So I'm going to do 180 minus 146. So if you're doing this with me, we're going to go into our calculators. And we're going to go 180 minus 146, and that is going to be 34. So we want this line that we're going to move around, we want that to move to where it gets to 34, which is right about here. So I'm going to go like this and rotate, rotate, rotate. Now that should be right at 134. And here's how we can figure out whether it truly is or not. We can go like this, and now my baseline of my angle is here. And we want to see, is it at 146? And it is. So this should work. So now, let's see, what does the problem require? So CBG, that's this guy up here, 146. And FEB is going to be 146 as well. And let's see what happens. Let's give it a go. Woo! Winner, winner. So that is how you would do a problem like this. Hope this helps.